So we will be doing rational roots theorem. So what it says, if there is a general polynomial, that is a naught x to the power n plus a1 x to the power n minus 1 plus a2 x to the power n minus 2 plus dot 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 plus an is equal to 0. So I am talking about this general polynomial, right? So if there is a general polynomial and all the coefficients, that is a naught till an, if they are rational, then what rational roots theorem says? It says if there is any possible rational roots, then it will be of the form factor of constant term divided by factor of leading coefficient. So what does it say? So what is the constant term? Constant term is an, right? And what we are looking for? We are looking for its factor. Okay, and then what is leading coefficient? Leading coefficient is a naught. This is leading coefficient. So if I take one example, 2x to the power 4 minus 7x cube plus 4x square plus 3x minus 10 equal to 0, then what is constant term? Constant term is what? That is constant term is equal to minus 10. And what is leading coefficient? Leading coefficient is equal to 2. So it says answer will be factor of this one divided by factor of this one. So let's take one example and then see how it will be applied. Question is find rational root of x cube minus 4x square plus x plus 6 equal to 0. So what I will be doing, I will be finding constant term. So what is constant term? Is equal to 6, and what will be its factor? Factor will be plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3 and plus minus 6. And then what is leading coefficient? Leading coefficient here is 1, right? So its factor will be what? Plus minus 1. Now what this rational roots theorem says? It says roots will be what? Factor of this by factor of this. So it will be, if possible, it is 1 by 1. So it is plus minus 1, then plus minus 2 by 1, then plus minus 3 by 1, and then plus minus 6 by 1, right? So this means what are possible rational roots? Plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3 and plus minus 6, right? So now how we will be checking which are the rational roots acceptable? So x is equal to 1. So what I will be doing? I will be putting the values here and checking which of these values are satisfying. So if I put x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1. So it becomes 1 cube minus 4 plus 1 plus 6, that is 8 minus 4, 4. So left hand side is 4, it is not equal to 0. This means x is equal to 1 is not root. Similarly, take x is equal to minus 1, put x is equal to minus 1, minus 1, minus 4, minus 1 plus 6, it is 0. Yes, this means x is equal to minus 1 is root. Similarly, put x is equal to 2, 8 minus 16 plus 2 plus 6, 8 plus 6, 16 minus 16, 0. Yes, this means x is equal to 2 is also answer. Put x equal to minus 2, minus 8, and this is minus 16. And then minus 2 plus 6, no, it is not. This means x is equal to minus 2 is not answer. Similarly, check for x is equal to 3. So x is equal to the 27 and this is 36, 3, 6. So 9 plus 27, 36 minus 36, yes, it is satisfying. This means another answer is x is equal to 3. So now you are not supposed to go further and check minus 3 and plus minus 6. Why? Because this is cubic polynomial equation, right? This one. So it will have maximum 3 roots, and I got minus 1, 2 and 3 as its roots. So I will stop here. So I got all possible rational roots. So this is how we will be using this rational root theorem. So let's take one more example. So here Rational roots for this one, x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 equal to 0. Again, what is constant term? Is equal to minus 6. What are the factors? Plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3 and plus minus 6. And then what is leading coefficient? It is 1. So, what are the factors? Plus minus 1. So, what are possible rational roots? Possible roots are what? Plus minus 1 divide by this, then plus minus 2, plus minus 3 and plus minus 6. So, when you check it, I will not waste time, it will be satisfying for x is equal to 1, 2 and 3. And then once you got 3, you are not supposed to move ahead. So, you got all the roots. So, if x1, 2, 3 are roots, this means if you want to factorize it, you can factorize like this one, x minus 1 using factor theorem, x minus 2 and x minus 3 is equal to 0. Correct? Now, what I am doing, I am giving you 2 questions as homework. Try to solve those questions, write your answers in comment section. If you have any doubt, ask me, I will respond there. So, these are the 2 questions. Please do it and write on the comment section. Next is Descartes' rule of sign. Thank you.